Hi guys, good morning. Preparing tayo today guys ng ating breakfast. Breakfast for today's video. Ito yung natin, breakfast. 3 bread. Isang hotdog na tira-tira nila. Lagyan natin ng kamatis para healthy. At saka itong lettuce. Ito, lettuce. Lagyan natin. At syempre, lagyan natin ng cheese para may lasa. Now we will start. First, we cut the tomato. Make it slice like this. Okay, I will make it slice na. And then we will put the here. I will make slice also this one, the hot dogs. To make flavor, only one hot dog. Okay guys, I put here in the top of the bread. We will slice like this. Inglisi. Yeah. Okay. Doing like that. This one for the another side. We put tomato. And then masyadong mga pa. Tapos, dito natin ilalagay itong cheese. Tayo mabuksan. Ito. Parang open. Okay. Ganyan. Tapos, lagyan natin itong lettuce. Daon ng lettuce. Ganyan na siya, guys. Tapos, lagyan natin ng top. Kasi 2 layers lang to eh. 3 breads, 2 layers. And then again, in the top, you will put here this one. Hot dogs. And then you put the top on the hot dogs. Again, tomato. Okay, tomato. Dalawa na lang yung tomato. Slice natin to kasi sayang. Parang sayang. And then, put natin ang cheese again. Like this. In the top. And then we put again on the top this lettuce. This vegetable lettuce, it's so healthy. Like this. And then you put again on the top bread. Okay? We have a 2 layers hamburger breakfast. Like this, guys, and you make it flatten. And then you put and the bread head. Siya. So, see? You put like this. Laki ng ating burgers for today. ating idiin guys para mag-platin siya. Oh, platin na siya. Gawin natin sa kabilang side. I meet my breakfast for today. Ihat natin yung tubig natin. Magkata yung water. Put inside the heater. Okay, and I will switch on. And then you wait until boiling. Okay na ba to? Platin siya guys. Ready to eat na. Maganda siya pagka. Okay na guys. Ready to serve na itong ating burger for today breakfast. Oh my goodness. I need it na. Burger for today's breakfast. Kaya let's eat na guys. Yummy! Yummy, yummy! Thank you Lord for this food. Pinin. Tanggal na yung flavor sa loob. Isa lang ito. Masusto kasi. Tanggal lang yung lamig. Galing sa rin. Pantay guys. Kain. Yummy, yummy. Namin yung gulay niya. Malabas. Lapit mga tapon. Ay. Last bite. So yummy breakfast for today, guys. And that's all for today's video. Bye, guys.